Good morning, students. I hope you all have seen the introduction video of chapter 15 angles. Today we are going to start the exercise. Okay, so let's begin the exercise 15.1. In the adjoining figure, name the points which are in the interior of angle ABC. Interior, exterior, and on the boundary we have to find out the points. And in the introduction video it is already taught that which part is called the interior part, which part is called the exterior part. Okay, so can you tell me which is the interior points in the interior of angle ABC? Where is angle ABC? First of all tell me, this is angle ABC, this is angle. So if this is angle, the interior part is this and the exterior part is this, and on the boundary means on the angles ray. Okay, on this angles ray only, this is called the boundary point. You have to locate these points also. Now in the interior of angle ABC, look at the figure properly. Interior part angle of angle ABC, 2 points you have to find out. This is point P and this is point S. T is this point, okay? T is on the boundary, not inside. P and S are the 2 points. So you will write P and S are the 2 points which is in the interior part of this angle. Now exterior part ABC. Just see the angle ABC. Exterior part is this one. So can you see the points in the exterior part? This one, point R and point Q. This two only. B is this point. It is on the boundary. A is also on the boundary. C is also on the boundary. So R and Q. So you'll write R and Q. On the boundary of ABC. On the boundary means on this rays. Okay, 2 arms of this angle. So C, T, B and A. So A, B, C and T, you can say these are on the boundary. Got it? Question number 2. Sort out the angles. These angles you have to sort out as acute, obtuse and reflex. What is acute angle, students? The angle between 0 degree and 90, that is called acute. The angle between 90 and 180 is obtuse, and the angle between 180 and 360 is reflex. So 5 degree is definitely less than 90. So 5 degree is what? Acute angle. You will write in your notebook like this: 5 degree acute angle. Then is 65 degree. 65 is also acute because it is less than 90. Then 96 degree. It is more than 90. So it will be obtuse angle. And 190. 190 students. 190 means it is more than 180 but less than 360. So it is reflex angle. 170, it is less than 180. So more than 90 and less than 180 is obtuse angle. Okay. And 320 degree means 320 means it is more than 180 but less than 360. So it is reflex angle. Okay. Any doubt? If you have doubts, see the introduction video again. Okay. Now question number 3. Name the acute angle made on line segment AB in the adjoining figure. See this figure, you have to name the acute angle in this. So there you can see there is 2 or acute angles forming here. Actually 3 acute angles is forming here. Look at the figure properly. You can see this angle and this is also one of the angle and this full complete angle. Okay. So angle CAD, angle DAB and one more this complete angle CAB. Okay, so you can write 2 only or 3 also. Okay, name the acute angles made on the line segment AB. Oh yes, made on the line segment AB means you have to name the acute angle which is made on this line segment only. So on this line segment is angle DAB and angle CAB only, not CAD, because CAD is not forming on this line segment AB. Okay, CAD is not forming on the line segment AB. You can see CAD is here only. So which two angles are forming on the line segment AB? Angle DAB and angle CAB. So we will write here angle DAB and angle CAB, in which AB and AB, two lines, this AB is coming on both the angles. Okay, both are acute angles. Now question number 4. This is simply true false. An angle has two arms, you know, definitely an angle has two arms. It is true. And a reflex angle is always greater than a complete angle. Complete angle is 360 and reflex angle is less than 360. So it is false. Sum of angles around a point is always 180 degree. Around a point, complete angle, have you seen the complete angle? Complete angle is angle around a point. This will make a complete angle, that is equal to 360 degree. Okay, so here is written sum of angles around a point is always 180. No, it is wrong. It is always equal to 360. So it will be false. The unit of measuring an angle is degree. Yes. We always measure the angle in degree only, like 90 degree, 60 degree, 30 degree, 40 degree, 180 degree. Okay. Now question number 5. Classify each of the following angles shown in the figure: acute, right, obtuse and straight or reflex. So you have to classify this figure, you have to see properly first. Where it is forming acute, where it is forming right angle, obtuse angle, reflex angle, you have to find out. So here you can see this red line. You have to see this red line and say which type of angle this is. So first is this one. It is going from this arm to this arm. Okay. Angle AOB. So angle AOB is which type of angle, students? Angle AOB is, you can see it is obtuse. Now angle, you see this red line. This is starting from this arm and coming to here. This is here to here. So it is making a straight angle. Angle COA or AOC. Okay, and one more angle is forming here. Angle BOC. BOC, you can see it is acute angle less than 90 degree. This is 180 degree. That is a straight angle. This is obtuse angle. This is COD. COD is straight and this is also straight. So it is 90 degree. So it is right angle. And this part AOD. AOD is also 90 degree. Okay, so you will write it like this. Question number 5. Angle AOB is obtuse angle. Okay. Then angle BOC is acute angle. And angle AOC is equal to straight angle because it is 180 degree. Okay, this is the symbol of angle. Okay. Now angle COD, that is right angle. And angle AOD, that is also right angle. Got it? Any doubt? Question number 6. Classify the following pair of angles as congruent, supplementary and complementary. Congruent means the angle which is same, equal, that is called congruent. Supplementary means the sum of two angles is 180 degree. And complementary, sum of two angles is 90 degree. Now you have to classify. Just add it. 75 degree plus 15 degree. That is equal to what? You will write it like this. Question number 6A. 75 degree plus 15 degree, that is equal to 90 degree. So which type of sum of this angle is 90? So it is complementary angle. Okay. Next is 120 degree and 60 degree. So just add up 120 degree plus 60 degree, that is equal to 180 degree. and sum is 180 means it is supplementary angle. Okay, C is 30 degree and 30 degree. Both are same. So it is congruent angles. Okay, similarly like this you have to do D, E, F students. Okay, question number 7, 8, 9 we will discuss in the next video.